Oh, I do have it. Had to also. We need this. So we're gonna peel this bad boy off. The bead, there's a direction for the bead.
Right.
And then we'll peel this off, and then we'll put this down.
And then we got our prepper here.
You got that thing to clean it.
And
so technically,
this
one is brand new. See, this is it. See this?
Yeah.
This is junk then. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So that's fine. And that's what I thought.
It doesn't last.
But I realized they always come in a double pack. Oh, no, look at the date.
2023. Yep.
Man, has it been that long?
It has been that long, sadly. You can only use new.
the
Otherwise, you're going to have a problem,
stupid.
and it won't stick properly.
No, it's stupid. I have it.
And you're still going to have a leak.
Yeah, it's stupid. I have it. Prep, you could probably use carb spray or brake cleaner, but this is meant for it. And I think you could even light this on fire and it kind of burns it and makes it soft. So all these are a good name. This is an American company, at least for what it's worth.
So then I'm going to take this right
and you
here.
You can use it on the side
and
too.
And we're going to just basically prep.
You got to grind all the shiny black away because it won't stick otherwise. You got to make it all dull and rough.
Kind of similar to paint, bodywork, or anything else that you do. You got to prep it, give it the grit, sand it down so it has proper adhesion. Yeah, see?
No, I don't. Okay.
Sounds like you ground it down now.
You can put the doors and close it. Yeah, it's still there a little bit, but I don't know if I'm going to do any more. I don't think I'm going to do any more. There's no reason to grind the tire. You just want to make it good.
You just need to prep the surface.
That's it. There's no reason to make the tire weaker. Yeah. Okay. Vacuum this.
Yep.
Because I don't want to introduce another chemical. So let's just brush this bad boy. This will let it burn. And then we'll do the other one. So what I'm going to do is this here is... Can you get me, on the tire changing kits, the patch, get me the awl? Because I want to stick the glue, the reamer, I'm sorry, the reamer. Because I want to ream. Okay.
I got it whenever you're ready.
Definitely.
I'll hold the time.
I think I definitely put too much.
I
see it. Just putting all the stuff. Yeah, this is it goes right to the floor. You see the floor?
Oh yeah, the concrete.
I'm a little worried. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Probably.
You got to give it. What time is it? You recording?
Alrighty.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna let it sit.
We got the vulcanizing glue. Let it burn in. We're gonna peel our patch, and then we're gonna bead side out. I'm really not sure why, but I guess they make it to a certain way. They always put the bead with an arrow. That they don't want you to do it this way. They want you to do it that way. So we're gonna peel this bad boy right here, and then we'll make it happen.
Yeah, plastic stays on.
It stays on, actually. You could pull it off, but it stays on. And then you take all the air out with this thing. You can literally see that it burned into the rubber. And I think without a doubt I put way too much glue on, but I always do that. Like I want to make sure a little bit good, more is better. But I don't think that that's the case, actually. See how, I don't know if you saw it, it was pushing out air. Yeah. I ran over it again, it pushed out more air. So then we go back this way. I really don't know fully, but let's see. Okay. It feels like it went flat, I'll tell you that, man. I can probably take that
pretty
piece
good.
of,
Nice and flat.
I'll just leave it.
It's in there.
Man, I hope so.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe